Kaya pwede ka magpahinga. Kasi yung kailangan mo ngayon at kakailanganin mo bukas, naiplano na ni Lord. Posible nga naibigay na niya eh. And I could tell you, in my 37 years of living, and I know that that's not much, I have seen that to be true time and time again. Nung single pa ako, iniisip ko nung panahon na yun, paano ako magpapakasal? Ang mahal-mahal na nun magpakasal. But 4 years before Vea and I got married, God blessed me with an investment that allowed me to take a portion of that investment to pay for our wedding and as a seed money to start out a new life together as a married couple. Early in our marriage, nagtataka kami ni Vea na inisip namin, how will we provide for a child? How will we provide for a family? Pero nung si Kyler nasa womb na ni Vea, within those 9 months, parang biglang nagbuhos si Lord ng biyaya that her Vea's social media business expanded, exploded with clients left and right. Nung lumabas na si Kyler, ang iniisip naman namin, ang wino-worry naman namin, paano natin ito paaaralin? Mahal-mahal ng tuition ngayon. And I'll tell you, this month, later this month, we're starting. We're in that season already. He's going to a preschool and all this time before, we wondered how will we pay for tuition. We're now here. We're getting into that season already. But if I look back in the last year or so, the Lord has been faithful. He has blessed me with new work, apart from all the work that I do, right? He's blessed me with new work, with the Feast app. Kaya mag-download at mag-subscribe kayo kasi yan ang pakakain ko sa pamilya ko. Na-joke lang. With the Feast app. And He has also blessed me with a raise from work that I was already doing. And then from Vea's end, she has been getting event directing opportunities and speaking engagements. Why am I sharing this all to you? Well, it is simply just to tell you that the Lord has been good and faithful to us, and that is not only true for us, that is also true for you. That God meets our needs at the right time. He meets our needs at the right time. And allow me just to define right time. Right time with God is either in advance or just on time. Either early or just right on time. We have a God who is never late. He never delays. He just blesses early in advance or exactly when you need it.